Windsurf is Codeium's AI-powered IDE, and it has excellent support for MCP servers. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect instructionally to Windsurf so Cascade, the AI assistant, can access your team's coding standards. Make sure you have your instructionally MCP credentials handy before we begin. Open Windsurf and let's navigate to the settings. Click on the gear icon to open Windsurf settings. In the left sidebar, click on Cascade. You'll see an MCP servers section with an open MCP marketplace link. Click it. This opens the MCP marketplace where you can browse available servers. Now look for the cog icon on the right side next to installed MCPs. Click it to open the mcpconfig.json file where we'll add our configuration. Now we'll add instructionally as an MCP server. In the mcpconfig.json file, create a new server entry named instructionally. For the command, use mpx, and for the arguments, use instructionally. Then we need to add our environment variables. Set MCP key ID to your key ID, the one that starts with ion. Set MCP secret to the secret you saved when you created your MCP key. And set MCP workspace to your workspace slug. Take a moment to double-check your credentials. Then save the configuration file. Now go back to the MCP Marketplace tab. To apply the changes, restart Windsurf. Once it's back up, open the MCP Marketplace again. You'll see instructionally appear under Installed MCPs with a green light showing it's enabled. That means the connection is working. Now let's test it. Open any project and activate the AI chat. Type, Ion, what's the workspace info, and press enter. Cascade will reach out to your instructionally workspace and confirm the connection is working. You should see information about your workspace, including its name and any details you've set up. This confirms that Windsurf is successfully connected to instructionally. Later, when you add skills, commands, and workflows to your workspace, they'll automatically be available here. For example, once you create a skill with your coding guidelines, you could ask, Ion, what are my coding best practices? And the AI will fetch your custom instructions and use them to guide its responses. One more thing. By default, Windsurf will prompt you to approve every MCP tool call and file operation. To enable auto-approval for a smoother experience, you can enable YOLO mode following our tutorial in the documentation. The link is in the description below. And you're all set. Windsurf is now connected to instructionally. Your coding standards will be available in every Cascade conversation. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.